We're hitting the road in search of America's most interesting companies to answer one question: why are you proud to be made in America? Today we're in Carrollton, Texas, a community whose business sector has been booming over the last several years. And as the suburb has continued to grow, so have its retail establishments, restaurants, and breweries. And with that comes new business challenges, like cash management. Well, as it turns out, Carrollton has had its own cash management solution in its own backyard for decades. In the 1970s, the Southland Corporation implemented the first modern cash management system. Much has changed in that time, but the commitment to the goal is the same: to help businesses around the world with their cash management solutions. Today, we're exploring how Tidel has transformed the way businesses deal with their dollars and cents. Be sure to head to MarketScale.com and subscribe to the Made in America channel to watch full episodes, bonus clips, and to stay up to date on all things Made in America.